Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two impressive tires from Michelin, the ultra-high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV and the eco-friendly Michelin e.Primacy. Whether you're pushing the limits on the road or prioritizing efficiency for your electric vehicle, we've got you covered. Let's see how these tires stack up against each other. We begin with wet performance. Michelin's e.Primacy surprised us by outperforming the Pilot Sport 4 SUV in wet braking, stopping 0.4 meters shorter from 80 kilometers per hour. However, when it comes to wet handling, the Pilot Sport 4 SUV had a slight edge, achieving a higher average lap speed. In aquaplaning tests, the Pilot Sport 4 SUV demonstrated superior control. With its deeper 7.3 mm tread depth, it effectively channeled water away, beating the e.Primacy with a 2 km per hour advantage in straight aquaplaning and a significant edge in lateral aquaplaning. Next up, dry performance. Both tires delivered commendable results in dry braking, stopping at an identical distance of 34.9 meters from 100 kilometers per hour. In dry handling, the Pilot Sport 4 SUV edged out slightly, but the difference was minimal. When it comes to noise, the e.Primacy was quieter, producing a lower pass-by-noise level of 71.9 decibels compared to 73 decibels for the Pilot Sport 4 SUV. This makes the e.Primacy a more comfortable choice for noise-sensitive environments. Rolling resistance is where the e.Primacy truly shines. Designed with electric vehicles in mind, it boasts an impressive rolling resistance coefficient of 5.9, significantly lower than the Pilot Sport 4 SUV 8 value. This means the e.Primacy helps extend the range of your EV, making it the ideal choice for energy efficiency. With 36% better rolling resistance and 14% improved energy consumption, the e.Primacy is a clear winner in the efficiency category. In summary, both the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV and Michelin e.Primacy excel in their own right. The Pilot Sport 4 SUV is perfect for those seeking high performance in wet and dry conditions, while the e.Primacy offers exceptional efficiency and noise reduction for electric vehicles. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.